Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. I'm Liam, and I'm joined by Sophia. Today, we have a very special episode for our A2 and B1 learners. If you're looking to improve your listening and speaking skills naturally, you're in the right place.
Hello, everyone. Today's topic is something that almost every English learner struggles with. It's the mental translation trap.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean, Sophia. Many students hear an English sentence, translate it into their native language, think of an answer, and then translate it back into English.
It's so exhausting, isn't it? It makes your speaking slow and makes you feel tired. So today, we are going to talk about how to think in English.
Before we get to the how, let's talk about the why. Sophia, why should a B1 learner stop translating?
Well, Liam, speed is the main reason. In a real conversation, people speak fast. If you are translating in your head, you will miss the next sentence.
That's true. It's like a lag in a video call. Also, some expressions don't have a direct translation. If you try to translate a Burmese or Spanish idiom literally into English, it often sounds very strange.
Exactly. Thinking in English helps you sound more natural. You start using English structures directly, which builds huge confidence.
So, let's start with a very easy step for our A2 learners. I call this the naming game.
I love this one. It's so simple. Wherever you are, in your kitchen, on the bus, or at the park, look around and name the objects you see in English.
Right. Instead of seeing a satiple and thinking that's a table, just look at it and say table in your mind.
You can do this all day. Window, dog, coffee, blue sky. This builds a direct connection between the object and the English word, without using your native language as a bridge.
Once you are good at naming objects, move to sentences, but keep them short.
Yes, Liam. For example, when you wake up, instead of thinking in your own language, say to yourself, I am hungry. Where is my phone? Or, the weather is nice today.
This is great because these are functional sentences. You aren't studying from a book, you are using English for your real life.
And if you don't know a word, don't stop. Just describe it. If you forget the word for umbrella, think, the thing for the rain. This is a key skill for B1 learners.
Now we are getting into the pro tips. Let's talk about the internal monologue. Sophia, do you talk to yourself?
All the time, Liam. And it's actually a great way to learn. You should narrate your day like you are a character in a movie.
Now, I am making tea. I need to find a spoon. Oh, the water is boiling.
Exactly. By doing this, you are practicing grammar in a natural way. You are using the present continuous tense without even thinking about grammar rules.
It might feel a bit silly at first, but it's like a workout for your brain. The more you do it, the more English paths your brain creates.
Another tip is to change your environment. For example, change your phone's language to English.
That's a brave move, but it works. You use your phone hundreds of times a day. Seeing settings, messages, or notifications in English every day makes those words second nature.
Also, try writing your to-do list in English. Instead of writing your grocery list in your native language, write milk, eggs, bread, chicken. It's a small change, but it's very effective.
We have to be honest, Sophia. Thinking in English is hard. Sometimes your brain just wants to go back to its comfort zone.
That's normal. If you get a headache or feel frustrated, take a break. You don't have to think in English 24/7. Start with just 5 minutes a day.
That's a good point. Consistency is better than intensity. 5 minutes every single morning is better than 2 hours once a month.
Let's look at some difficult words we use today.
We said internal monologue. Internal means inside your head. Monologue means one person speaking, so it's your inner voice.
We also use the word narrate. To narrate means to tell a story or describe what is happening as it happens, like a commentator at a football match.
And I use the word lag. We usually use this for computers or the internet when they are slow. In language, it's that slow gap when you are translating.
Lastly, second nature. When something is second nature, it means you do it automatically without thinking, like riding a bike.
My final advice is to listen a lot. The more you listen to podcasts like this, the more English sounds will live in your head. Eventually, you'll start hearing our voices in your mind when you think.
I hope that's a good thing. My advice is to stop worrying about mistakes. Your inner English doesn't have to be perfect. No one is listening to your thoughts. Just keep the flow going.
We've covered a lot today. Remember, name objects, use short sentences, narrate your day, and be patient with yourself.
That brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope you found these phrases and stories helpful. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a like and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
To make sure you never miss an episode and to keep your learning journey consistent, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!